Hey y'all, and welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to be dyeing my hair. So I got out 3 bows. I'm about to try to figure out the color that I want. So right now I've got these sweet mint colors, and look at the prices, y'all. LA is out of their fucking mind. And then we got the chroma colors, aquamarine, which might be a little bit too bright, and then I got indigo blue. And I think all of these colors are going to be way too bright, but I'm just going to try to find the color that I'm looking for. So I'm just about to test some colors out really quick. Hey y'all, so ultimately I did choose the sweet mint color. So I just kind of filled that at the bottom of my bowl, and there is no measurement. This was honestly like a loose experiment. And then I went in with a lot of conditioner, y'all, because I did want this color to be as diluted as possible. And I'm just mixing this up, and then I'm just gonna keep on adding conditioner. Well, I was about to say concealer, y'all. Conditioner until I feel like it's where I want it to be. And the thing about this is, honestly, you should make as much as you can in the beginning. I didn't do that, so my colors were different throughout, which ended up good. Oh yeah, I also added like a dot of this indigo blue because I didn't want it to be too green. I kind of wanted it to be a little bit blue-green. But yeah, I did love how the color came out. So here's the color. I also want to acknowledge too that the color that you're about to see here is strictly the color that I put in that first bowl. So it's that real green that's going to end up being in the front and the back of my hair. But that row of blue that you're going to see in my pictures and my videos, it came from me running out of conditioner. So the product was not as diluted, so it looked more blue. And I think I spilled a little bit more indigo blue than I needed to. So honestly, you could play with the colors. This is just how I got that really pretty green, which is like, you know, my pictures on Instagram, that's the color that everybody's looking at. Now this product is so diluted that you really want to make sure you're getting every strand. So I'm going back in, I'm just tossing it in kind of like putty, like I'm going through and spreading out the layers. I'm combing through it. All of these things are just to make sure that the hair is fully coated. You do not want to, you know, like miss pieces like that blonde in the mirror. You just want to check every space and make sure it's colored, because the color is diluted, so it's already not going to go on the hair as strong, and you don't want it to fade very quickly or not get on the strands. So that's just not a pro tip, but a pro tip. Okay. Let me tell y'all something. This was the most ghetto process in the world, because I ran out of color. So, not color, conditioner. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bottles of conditioner, because this color had to be diluted so much and it still on camera looks so vibrant. And then I accidentally, but I had to make it a thing, got it real blue in the inside because I poured too much indigo. But I think it's gonna come out really cute. I'm gonna let it sit real quick while I go and eat. But honestly, I think it's gonna be a cutie. So I'm just gonna.
I've been trapping around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing like a river. You be texting back, you and Kiki on the river. Message say deliver, but I know that y'all don't get it. Why you introduce us if you knew that you was with him? Made me shake his hand when y'all been fucking for a minute. Walk me off the plane because you know that I'm a swimmer. Supposed to be a dog, but you don't put me in a kennel. Girl, put a muzzle on it, all that walking over dinner. I was fucking with you when you had a tiny presidential. You got better when you met me.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you can get notified when I post, because I don't feel like my people be seeing my posts. Anyway, so today we're installing this hair. The color is at the beginning. I was hating this color so bad at first, but now I'm looking and I'm like, I kind of feel like this is gonna turn out really good. So I'm baking right now. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my wig on. It's already prepped and ready to go. I'm probably gonna give it some layers, some curls. When I first do the plucking, I make it really, really flat. So I gotta bring the body back. I'm gonna spray some, I'm gonna spray some shampoo, some dry shampoo in it so it can just get thicker again. And yeah, so let's just get right into it. I'm not gonna do a talk through. I just want to be in my groove. If you guys want to see a detailed install video, then make sure to check out some of my other videos where they're very detailed. This is just gonna be quick, cute, to the point. Okay, so keep on watching. Get right on into this. So it's honestly ready to install. It's really just seeing where I'm putting it at. Oh, I'm not doing a talk through.
Tell you what I really don't fight it, yeah. How would you feel about trying something new? I'm leaving my mouth to go where you were private. Pretty second we take flight, oh yeah. Promise I'm pretty unminded. Don't you move, any makes a time for you. I can't decide for you. Oh no, you choose, any makes a time for you. I can't decide for you.
outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just the one on really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense on. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now,
I'm not gonna lie, I feel bonita as fuck, and I really thought like I was gonna hate this color, but like low key, I hate every fucking color. Okay, all right, let's get rid of these sideburns and shit. I ain't gonna talk to y'all still, but I'll be right back. I'm jamming.
right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I'm outside in it. Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. knows I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza cause we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. Then bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let it hit on occasion for entertainment. Then he would leave us at the house and go out on a mission. We probably would've got in less trouble just going with him. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at they first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, you boys not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy, we trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah, but here we are and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it started to feel like the feelings faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday. You forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's. Boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over and over like it was urgent. And then act like you ain't heard it when you see me in person. The only thing I did to end up here was put the work in. And did it with a purpose. Used to have secret handshakes to confirm my friendships. Nowadays they just shaking my hand to hide the tension. A lot of people just hit me up when my name is mentioned. Shout out to KD, we relate, we get the same attention. It's raining money, Oklahoma City Thunder. The most successful rapper 35 and under. I'm assuming everybody's 35 and under. That's when I'm planning to retire, man, it's already funded. Yeah, I brought your wifey out to St. Martin. She violated, I sent her back where it all started. How quick they are to forget about their bachelor apartment. Leave it like you could show them light in the darkness. Told my mama that I found a lady in the east. Cancun when I got signed, they upgraded the suite. Don Julio in the freezer that they gave us for free. I get you all you can eat, just have some patience with me. You wouldn't tell me you love me, started seeing Monique. Last time I heard from Monique, T-Minus was making beats. I used to hit the corner store to get Tahiti treat. Now they talk at the corner store as I'm TBE. The best ever, don't ever question, you know better. Ain't always how it seems when it's so.
The install is everything all done. I love it. It's cute. It's a lot, but it's also eating, you know? So let me finish my makeup off camera and I will be back.